Okay, this says the total number of local maximum and minimum points of the function whose derivative for all x is given by this is. All right, so once again, we're given f prime. Okay, so f prime is equal to x times x minus 3 squared times x plus 1 to the fourth. And this is great. We don't need to do any calculus, or we don't have to take any derivatives, because we already have a derivative. We know what belongs on this number line is -1. That's a critical point. 0 and 3. And if you use your pre-calculus knowledge, you could probably quickly figure out when this graph is positive and negative. But just to get it started, plug in a number like 10, right? If you plug in 10, you're going to get a positive number. 10 minus 3 squared is positive. 10 plus 1 to the fourth is positive, so you get a positive. Okay, so our graph is increasing there. Now, a little hint here. I mean, anything squared or to the fourth will always be positive, right? Unless we plug in 3 or -1, but we're not, because those are breaking up our interval. So really everything, it's all going to hinge on what's going on there at that x. That's one way to get this number line going quickly. The other is to remember multiplicity and bouncing, right? So at 3, this graph's going to bounce, which means if it's positive, it's going to continue to be positive. So it's increasing, increasing. At 0, so the multiplicity is a 1, that means it's going to cross, so the graph is decreasing. And then at -1, the multiplicity is 4, and so that tells us it's going to bounce again. And so the graph's decreasing. And so that means there's only one, in terms of mins and maxes, there's only one. There's a min here, and that's it. All right, so that answer would just be B. Just to make a note, you can make a little sketch of this graph, right? Like, what is the function f doing? It must be decreasing. It's going to have a derivative of 0 here, and it's going to decrease. And then it's going to have a derivative of 0 at 0, and then it's going to increase until 3, derivative of 0, flattens out. So its shape looks something like that. But in any case, these two things are not creating mins or maxes. Only this is, so the answer choice is B.